Yeah, we're walking through the river. Oh, we gotta go that way.
Put in a little crossing that maybe.
Okay.
Can you hold the foot? It's Babes on the rock tour. Oh, that kind of rock hurts.
I'm up there swimming and I'm having a hard time.
Babes by the waterfall.